At Tirupati's TTD administration building premises, the Divine Goda Kalyanam was celebrated with grandeur and devotion, and the beautifully adorned Utsava idols of Sri Krishna Swami and Sri Andal were placed on the decorated stage by priests. Rituals including Sri Vishwaksena Puja, Punyaha Vachanam, Ankurapanam, Raksha Bandhanam and Agni Pratishtha were performed in accordance with tradition. Government Sankalpam, Devotees Sankalpam, Madhuparaka offering and Vastra Samarpana were conducted reverently. The ceremony continued with Mahasankalpam, Mangalaya Puja, Mangalayardana and followed by the main Honam and Purnahuti. Rituals such as Varnamairam, Mala Parivartanam and Akshataropanam were performed before concluding with Mangala Harti. The event ended with Govindanama Sankirtana, leaving devotees in spiritual ecstasy.
ధాత్రీ వరద గోవింద మేళములు వాయిస్తూ ఉంటే మంగళవాద్య పురస్సరంగా అక్కడ ఏం జరుగుతుందో మనకి తెలియాలి. ఎందుకంటే మనకు కనిపించేటువంటి వాటికన్నా మనకు కనిపించనటువంటి దేవదేవుడైనటువంటి పరాత్పరుడైనటువంటి కవ్యములను కానీ అగ్నిదేవుడే తీసుకెళ్తాడు కనుక అటువంటి అగ్నిని ఆరాధన చేసి